Thing well done, do it yourself. Oh, Adrian, what's the next letter? If you want a thing well done, do it yourself.
The fourth letter. Did you know that this letter is the same upside down as the right way up? Stop it, Adrian.
Stop it, Adrian. Come and help me with this map. Look, isn't this lovely? You know, this is just like the first jigsaws that were made, because they were really just maps cut up. Oh, I can't reach. Can you put Iceland where Iceland goes, please?
Thank you, Sid Sleuth. You'll see more of the private eye from week to week, though he may not have helped you very much with the fourth letter. If you have your own ideas for clues to letters, why don't you send them to us? And if any of you think you can put together a 100-piece jigsaw in less than 10 minutes, let us know, because we'll be having a contest for a champion put-it-togetherer in a few weeks' time. They're hopeless at jigsaws. I should know, because I know all about jigsaws. After all, I came from one.
When Jig was very young, without much bounce, he was part of a very large jigsaw. He didn't like his neighbours very much. And he didn't like the picture he was part of, especially being so near the sun. He decided he'd had enough. So he hopped out of the box and bounced off for a life of his own. Possibly you've noticed jigsaw pieces like Jig who've decided to go off on their own. Most jigsaws seem to have one piece like that, don't they?
Now the fifth letter. Very good, Adrian. Here's a quiz. The fifth letter starts all these words. And I can tell you it's not D. There's no such word as doys.
Unless you've got a code in the nose. Oh, honestly, Adrian, don't make all that noise. What if you like a dut?
A dot. A dot.
You don't want another piece of jigsaw, do you, Bigham?
No, no, I've finished that hen. I just came to see what you were doing.
Oh, I'm making a square out of this lovely hanky to put over that huge hole in Adrian's coat.
The 6th letter. If you've got all 6 letters we've shown you today, you should now know what this week's word is. That was the word spring. Did you get it? If you want to know how all those clues made up the word, send us a stamped, self-addressed envelope and we'll send you the answers. This is our address. Jigsaw, BBC TV, London W12 7RJ. Don't forget to let us have your ideas and to let us know if you're a champion jigsaw putter-togetherer. See you next week for another jigsaw word and lots more puzzles.